Hello and welcome back. Now, I am inside my AWS console. Inside AWS console, we have one service, IAM. Inside IAM, we have three identities, user groups, users and roles. Now, when you go to the roles and when you click on create role, here we have 5 different options. In this video, I'm going to talk about custom trust policy. Because we already discussed about these 4 options in the previous videos. So, today, option number 5, custom trust policy. So, let's start this. Welcome back. As it is, we are going to start our understanding about custom trust policy, but we are going to start with the theory. So here we have point number 5, custom trust policy, and here it is introduction. First of all, I am going to explain you this policy and then we are going to understand some use cases as well. So here we have first option. The custom options allow you to craft policy that specifies exactly who can assume the role and under what circumstances. See, basically when we are creating role, okay, here we have a particular entities who is going to assume this role, right? Let's say that I am creating role for AWS services, in which case like I want EC2 instance to access my S3 bucket. Same way, I have multiple accounts and I want to allow access to my other accounts, AWS user to access my resources in my account. I can go with the AWS account. If I want to allow user to log in through the external identity provider like Google, Facebook, I am going to create web identity. If I want to provide access through the Active Directory Federation service, I can also use SAML. But if you look at this, when we are creating these 4 different options available inside IAM role, identity, like who is going to assume this role, it is defined. Let's say that if you have one AWS service role, okay, AWS account cannot assume this role. If you have a role for web identity, AWS service cannot assume this role, okay. But here with the custom trust policy, you can define in the policy that who is going to assume this role, and you can also specify additional conditions like multi-factor authentication must be enabled. If you are going to access this particular policy, you can also enable a particular IP as well, okay. So look at this. Here you can add assume role with SAML, assume role with user, assume role with web identity, and you can add a condition for that. So here we have this flexibility that how this policy will be assumed by which particular entity, and also you can specify additional conditions over here. So let's understand this. If you want another AWS services within your account to access role, choose AWS services. If you want IAM user within same account to assume the role, choose AWS account within or across the account as well. If you want users to authenticate with the external IDPs like Google and Facebook or allow login through the Google and Facebook, you can use web identity. Same way, SAML authentication for Active Directory authentication for your corporate environment. So here we have a specific use case. Now trusted policy is actually useful for the more complex scenario. If you have more complex scenario with specific requirement, you can use custom option to craft tailored trusted policy. Now you may have this question that okay, we understood this, but what is the meaning of a specific requirement? Okay. So here I am going to talk about some specific requirement. Let's say that, sorry, I know that you want to watch full video, but full video is now not available on YouTube. If you want to watch full video, I want you to go to our website. When you will go to our website, you will find out our course 100 days YouTube challenge. I want you to enroll for this course by paying only 499 rupees for lifetime if you are from India. If you are from outside of India, you just need to pay $7 US. Once you will enroll to this course, you are going to get all full videos over there on our portal. You are also going to get certificate after completing the course, and we have just uploaded 120 videos. We are going to upload another 120 videos as well. So there will be total 240 videos. I hope we are going to meet inside the class. Thank you very much.